Thinking of ditching basic spreadsheets? Let's compare Airtable versus Google Sheets to see which one fits your workflow better. Whether you're managing data, project, or a team, this breakdown will help you choose the right tool. So let us review the Sheets first. So this one is simple, fast, and familiar tool. It works just like Excel, but in your browser. If you love formulas, pivot tables, and quick collaboration, Sheets is rock solid. It's perfect for traditional data entry, quick calculations, and sharing updates in real time. So, in pros, free with Google accounts, easy collaboration, powerful formulas, works offline with backup. But it's not built for structured databases or visually managing tasks. Now let us discuss Airtable. So Airtable is a mix between a spreadsheet and a database. It looks like a sheet, but works like an app. You can create custom fields, link records across tables, and switch between grid, Kanban, calendar, and gallery views. It shines when you're building CRMs, project trackers, content calendars, or anything visual. So in pros, beautiful UI, built-in automation, relational data support, project templates and apps. Downsides? Well, limited free tier and a slight learning curve for beginners. So Airtable is more advanced, Google Sheets is more universal. It all depends on what you're building. Like if this helped and check the description for more tools you might love.